Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you how to clear the Cache in Messenger app on your devices. Please watch until the end of the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Like it. Let's get started. To clear the Messenger cache with you, we'll need to go to Settings. This works on any phone. Scroll down to the bottom. In Settings, find Apps. Then we open Manage Apps, and in the search box, we have to write Messenger. Now here we click Storage. Next we have Total, App Size, User Date, and Cache. We click Clear Date, and click Clear Cache, and click OK. After that, we were able to clear the cache in our Messenger app literally in 1 minute. And like I said, this method works on absolutely any device. If you helped and liked this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.